Okay, trying to come up with a candidate for the shortest Youtuuba video ever. In my garage I have this paper towel dispenser, Kimberly-Clark, and I loaded up with the Scott's blue shop towels. Like these. And the latch on the top, which is just this little gray knob, is supposed to spread these apart when you turn it so that it disengages this little plastic piece, but it got to the point where it would not open for some reason. It just wasn't clearing that, and I couldn't jimmy it loose, so I just had to force it, and that broke one of the tines off of there, and now it won't stay shut. So my quick and dirty solution was I got a scrap of wood and did a blind hole into it with a Forstner bit and put in a 3/4 inch neodymium magnet that is mostly the same depth as the wood but not quite, and then a couple of drywall screws into the backboard, and then down here I just got an old attaché case latch that I have in stock for making smaller musical instrument cases. Put in a couple of screws, drilled through the plastic, put some Loctite on it, and this allows it to be bent at various angles to line up, because this is a sloped surface here. And then it just clicks right onto there and holds it firm. But when I want to open it, it's pretty easy to open. This bit I'm jacking around with the case here is or the cover is because there's this plunger here that closes up the aperture here, and that gets closed by bumping into the case when you close the door, and it takes a little jimmying around, but that's doing the trick, quick and dirty.